Here we are at Triumphs Visitor Centre. We're going to have a look around the factory today, but I'm not allowed to do any filming. So I'll just go around the museum, which is free of charge. We pay £30 each to go around the factory. You have to book online, as it always gets very busy. The tour takes about an hour and a half. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching. They're electric ones, aren't they? Oh, well, it's wrong colour. Is that the first bike, is it? Is that the first one? No, no. Yeah. That's a bit different sitting on the back mudguard.
Dick's got too much money.
Who?
Dick.
Is that who it belongs to?
Dick collecting the whole.
Well, he never gets to ride them, do he?
Not on their head. All the different petrol tank badges. What, the Tiger? Yeah. And on to the regen. That's the speed triple before yours. Better colour yellow.
94 and yours is 97. It's well worth visiting if you go and buy though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Seeing as you don't pay to come in. You what?
Freebies are always a bonus.
Yeah.
completely free to get in, unless you want to actually go around the factory, and then it costs you like £33, and it has to be booked up in advance.
Which is what we're doing today after this.
Going into the modern ones now. It's a bit different. Oh look, Kate, your bike.
Not only. I do like it in the black and
No. Otherwise I'd have never changed the colour. That's not your actual.
no. That's the one out of the thingy movie, isn't it? Got the holes in the back with it.
Yeah, it's out of the Tom Cruise movie, isn't it?
That one.
Yeah, you could do a polish on that one.
I think nice to look at it.
Jurassic Park, that's why. The Elvis edition.
David Beckham. Ridden by David Beckham.
That's quite a nice purple. Is that nuclear red?
No.
Yes.
It says
Very similar though, isn't it?
Why do we do it? That's a good question. You just twist the throttle, you get pushed back, and you come up to a corner and you're leading. You can only feel, you can't describe it. It's wonderful.
When you accelerate, it's that roar that comes with it, that burst of acceleration, deep throaty roar.
I just like the body of it. It's sleek, it's slender, it's just classic.
The rise that you feel on the back of your neck as the hair raises and it just moves forward like a wave.
It's big, it's loud, and it's very powerful.
It's just, you know, going through those gears and getting the revs up and just moving and just accelerating.
It's like being on a roller coaster when you decide what happens next.
The single biggest thing about it is escapism. It gets you away from the pressures and stresses of life. You know, when you're on two wheels and trying to stay upright, you actually can't think about anything else other than, you know, the moment that you're in.
Is liberating and exhilarating. You're free, you're just free.
You get the speed and the bangs and you get the flow in it.
Come up to the corner and you're leading, it's like flight. So I took that way. Something that you took away.
I think I've done that backwards. I think I've gone from the original concept all the way back to the modern day. Or should I say the other way around? Here's Triumph's electric bike, which they never put into production. That is every component for a Speed Triple 1050. These are all the engine casts. And in the background it's every factory they have in the world now. Yes, the clothing store.
Thanks for joining me for watching the video. We made it all the way to the end. Please like and subscribe.